In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting and conference room in Microsoft Outlook 365 online. This process is very useful for workplace collaboration, allowing you to schedule meetings efficiently while also reserving a physical or virtual conference space so everything is organized in one place. To begin, open your web browser and go to Once the page loads. Sign in using your account credentials if you are not already logged in. After signing in, you will be directed to your mailbox, where you can access both your emails and calendar tools. Next, look for the calendar icon, usually located on the left-hand navigation panel. Click on it to switch from your inbox view to your calendar view. This is where all your meetings, appointments, and scheduled events are managed. Once you are in the calendar section, click on New Event to start creating a meeting. A new event window will open, where you can begin entering the details of your meeting. Start by adding a clear title so participants immediately understand the purpose of the meeting. After that, set the date and time for your meeting. Make sure the schedule fits all required participants to avoid conflicts. This step is important for ensuring smooth coordination within your team or organization. Now, look for the option to add a location or room. In many Microsoft 365 setups, you will see a Room Finder feature or an Add a Room option. Click on it to view available conference rooms within your organization. These rooms are usually listed based on availability and capacity. Select the conference room that best fits your meeting needs. Once selected, it will be automatically added to your event as the meeting location. This ensures that the room is officially reserved for your scheduled time and prevents double booking. Next, you can add attendees by entering their email addresses in the participants field. Outlook will send them an invitation with all the meeting details, including the time, location, and any additional notes you include. Before finalizing, review all the information carefully to make sure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, click Save or Send depending on your version of Outlook. This will officially book the meeting and reserve the conference room. And that's it. You have successfully scheduled a meeting and booked a conference room using Microsoft Outlook 365 online, making your scheduling process more organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.